So guys, I just got here and what I have here is so beautiful. I mean, pictures are not doing justice, but I tried to bring you along. See, I'm already panting and I just started. So these are the stairs I've just climbed. And here, you see, up. It goes up that way. Just continue. So yeah. Woo. So yeah, let's see how far I can go. I learned there are 7 mountains or something. 7. This is just the road to the first one, and we still have 7 more to go, guys. I've also learned that if you want to climb to like the 7th place, you have to spend 2 hours climbing and 2 hours descending. So that's like 4 hours, guys. I'm not sure I'll be able to do that, but let me just try and see how it's going to be. Let me just try. Let me try. But guys, I bought water already. I'm going to be drinking. When I'm tired, I'm going to stop and sit down. Okay, so I will tell you more about it. I've not started, guys, and I'm tired. Who does this? But again, once again, I need to say thank you to my tour guide, because this guy has been so helpful. He's the one recording the videos as I sit here. And so yeah, I prayed to get somebody who would help me all throughout this journey, because I really wanted to bring you guys along. So I learned this is the water reservoir. From here, water is being spread to different communities. I heard this water is drinkable, but it's not even looking white in my eyes. But let's see. It's actually tasteless, and I think it's the same. Yeah. It's tasteless. So maybe when I get up, I'll try and drink from that one. But this one is not. People are saying no pure.
No, it's part of the waterfall, actually.
Let's check others. Okay guys, hi guys, how are you today? So I'm actually out. I made a quick travel out of Lagos. I'm visiting the waterfall at Erin Ijesha. I just feel like I'm really just overdue for this relaxation, I think. So our bus is stopping. That's my bus at the back. Bus is stopping to gauge the tire. So let's just record what's happening. This is express actually, but I don't even know where this is. So I got corn. I'll bring you along on this journey. So we just got into Ocean State. Interior. We just entered Interior. And yeah, it's been a really long day. I'm so tired. But I'm so excited. But this journey is almost over. So yeah. We just got to Ocean State, and I'm really so tired. I can't even wait for this journey to be over. And I'll bring you along. Let's go. What do you want me to buy for you? Name it. Agbado, dodo, enyawo, what's that thing you oh god, crab, crayfish, you know, what do you want me to buy for you? Just name it. You are going to have it all. So this is the beginning of the first layer. Guys, I just got to the first layer, and as you can tell, you were tired. So right? Brought up here. But if I can get to the first layer, then yes, I can get to the second and the third and the fourth. So let's see how far we can go.
Okay.
I can't try to go for it though. I can't get there. Maybe I have to come here. I wish I could get there, but I cannot. Do people get in that place?
Yes.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm not fit. Hey. Guys, I made it to the third layer. This is the third layer. We're about to go to where the waterfall is in the third layer and then proceed to the fourth layer. Well, as I am right now, I cannot can anymore. You need to see the way I'm panting like a dog. This thing is so stressful. You know, I used to shout, I love hiking, I love hiking. My darling, hiking is not for the faint-hearted. But again, I love the kind of energy this gives me, right? Because so usually when I need something to push me, when I need something to remind me of how strong I am, I like to, you know, visit places like this or go to something or do something that challenges me. And this is it for me. So the chase is up. Let me see if I can get to the 7th, but let me not lie to you, I doubt it. Because right now, me only can more. I'm so tired, guys. My legs are literally shaking already, but let's wait and see. Alright guys, so I'm going to the third layer. So I don't want to stop here. Just in case I'm not able to get to the 7th. Okay, so that I don't miss the waterfall. Guys, I will not even lie, I'm scared though, but I'm doing it. That part you say, do it afraid. It's better when you experience something that scares you. So I'm doing it afraid, guys. So come on. Ooh, guys, if you are coming here, just ensure you have made up your mind that you are going to do it. And really, my tour guide is so helpful. I will not lie. I can't even bear to look up. Because come on. I'm meant to come that way, back?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my God. Man, these guys are so used to it. Oh.
Easy.
Yeah. Come on. If I can't remain, I can go back.
So you can pull it.
Yeah, I'll go back.
So you can pull off it. Okay. Okay.
to be very close to this place. Guys, I feel like not living here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I'm not living here. Okay, can you take pictures here? Not take pictures. Stop it off. Stop the video, eh? Oh my god. It's okay. So, stepping into this place is making me think of how Peter was able to walk on the water. Hey, almost, it is not as easy as you think. But guys, it's so beautiful here. I can't explain how I feel right now. Like, I'm having the feel of deep fountain pouring on me. Look at my hair, guys. See, I can't explain it. Just come and experience it by yourself. It's so refreshing. This is the most refreshing exercise I have done. It is so cool, so beautiful. When you are inside there, you don't have any problem with it. I'm telling you. Woo! Guys, and this is the third layer, right? This is the third layer.
Yeah.
Still 4, 6, 6, and 7. I don't even see right now. If I don't get to the 7th layer, I'm fine. I don't like to do. What I have experienced here is good. I mean, while I was inside the water, I was just thinking of the magnificency of God. I mean, God is so great is an understatement. I'm telling you, you cannot describe it. So cool. Woo! Can I just be living here, guys? Guys, I had an amazing time, like so beautiful, a personal time I had at the waterfall. So I actually do this whenever I just feel like I've been so stressed. I need to take out some time, just to relax. I think that's just it, just to relax. And most of the time when I want to take on like a new phase, or when I want to do something different, I just like to do this. I go to a place that I can connect with, and I just take out time to relax. And truth is, see, you cannot come and kill yourself. Do you understand? You cannot. Don't make that mistake of walking, and not having time to relax. Okay, so that picture right there is the picture of the fountain, like I heard. So you cannot continue to do that, right? So infuse it in your lifestyle, relaxation. Infuse it, especially when you have worked a lot. Please don't go and kill yourself. It didn't cost a thing to be here, right? So maybe everything I spent, I don't know, I'm not even going to calculate, but it doesn't cost you anything. Get pass to enter this place is 1k, guys. 1k, 1,000 naira. Get a bus from Oshodi, it's 2,006 to get a bus. Like with a budget of 10k, you can actually do this. Like with a budget of 10k, maybe you have to settle the tourist guy and all that. And it's interesting if you come with other guys, like your friends and all of that. It will be really, really interesting. So man, guys, Yeah, I can't explain how I feel alone. It is better when you experience it by yourself. Oh, it's sweet. As you know, it's in my hair. So I actually didn't make my hair all along because I knew I would be, doing this later in the week, and I didn't want, of course, I would not have made my hair and then, water would be pouring on it. So I just left my hair like that because I wanted to do some treatment. So I just left it this way. But guys, I feel so refreshed. I feel so, I don't know how to explain it. It's better felt.